Yeah, good morning everyone. Welcome to Quick Make YouTube channel, the number one channel in Africa that shows you how to make money from the comfort of your home legitimately. Yeah, I've posted two videos enumerating and showing more light on how to make money on Owodaily. As you all know, Owodaily is an online marketplace that connects freelancers, digital workers, entrepreneurs, businesses together. In this platform, you can make money in different ways. I've shared two ways already. To see those videos, kindly go to my YouTube channel and watch the two videos where I practicalize the two ways you can make money from this platform. First, by the referral program. Anybody you refer, depending on the package you register in, for anybody referred, you get 2,500 now if you register with the basic membership package of 3,000 naira. Then if you register with the package of Owodaily Plus, your referral bonus is going to be much higher. But if you have a slim budget, you can start with the basic membership package of 3,000 naira. And in that package, if you refer one person, you are getting 2,500 naira cash that will pay to you. It's not scam, it's legit. You can read the reviews on Google, you can do research on Google. A lot of people are making money from it. I myself also have been making money from it. So that's why I decided to do this tutorial on the three main ways, three main legit ways you can make money from this platform called the Owodaily. So I've uploaded two videos already where I talked about the two strategies you can use to make money from this platform. The first strategy, which is the referral program, and the second strategy, which is the digital worker, like performing tasks on this website and getting paid. So the third way of making money with this website is it's called what, post job. In this post job, it's all about talking about you being a social media influencer. You can post, you can meet big companies, big businesses, and tell them that you can help them gain an online presence by getting them more followers on their different social media pages such as Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, LinkedIn, etc. etc. You can also help them boost their social media campaigns by getting more likes, more shares, more views for their videos, making their videos about their product and services go viral on all the different social media platforms. So you can use Owodaily to do that. You can use Owodaily to start as a micro social influencer, social media influencer. You can influence your big companies, tell them that you can help them attain the goals of their marketing campaigns and all that. All you need to do is to use this tool known as Owodaily to get that job done and get paid. So to become a social media influencer using this tool called Owodaily, very easy. Straight, you go to this tab here, which is for post job. You click on it. When you click on it, you come down. The country you want to, the country you want to push your clients product or services to, you select it. If it is Ghana, Nigeria, you click on Nigeria. If it's Ghana, Kenya, Zambia, Canada, if the company you are the business or company you want to help with a social media marketing campaign wants their product or services to get people in Canada, you can come here and choose Canada or United Kingdom. Then here you can choose what kind of influencer. Is it blog owners, article writer, Facebook micro influencer, Discord channel micro influencer, and so on. So Snapchat micro influencer and so on. You can choose that. If it is WhatsApp marketing, you can choose that. If it's YouTube, you can choose that. You can select the job category and other gender. Is it just male? You can click is it all male or female or both male and female. Workers, how many kind of workers? If you want to promote the YouTube video of a client, if he needs 100 subscribers, 100 people to subscribe to his YouTube channel and you charge him maybe 30,000 now for that. You can come here and choose the 100 people and move on. Uh, how much are you going to be paying those people that will work as digital workers? You put it there. Maybe you collected 30,000 now for people to subscribe to his 100 people to subscribe to his YouTube channel. You can pay those 100 persons, each person is 15 naira or 20 naira. After that, you minus it and you get your profit. Days to approve, submissions results and all that. You can go through them. It's self, just play around with it. It's very self-explanatory. And after that, you put post job. You post the job and you see digital workers come here to complete that job for you, and you meet the needs of your clients, and you also will get paid. It's a win-win situation for everyone, both the business or the company you are trying to achieve their marketing campaign for them, the digital workers that will complete those tasks, and you also will get paid. It's a win-win situation for everybody. So this is another way you can make money with this platform called the Owodaily. You can make money with this platform called the Owodaily by being a micro social media marketing influencer. You help companies start up new businesses, start up companies to achieve their social media marketing campaigns, like uh, boosting their social media followers, getting more views for their YouTube videos, for their products, services, Facebook likes, shares, and everything. This tool is very powerful. It can help you achieve that and you get paid. So that's the third way of making money through this platform. There are other numerous ways of making money through this platform called the Wodiri, but the main three ways I've tested and I've tried and I've made money with this platform is what I've shared in my YouTube channel. To get the TV strategies, you can watch the TV videos on my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I wish you happy financial earnings. Thank you.